Welcome to Math 133, College Algebra for Business. I'm Professor Rose. Now, this is what it looks like outside my house right now. So this is a good time to be teaching and studying remotely. Now, by the end of the semester, it will look like this. So I'm just going to pretend. Now, I'm not here to impress you, and you're not here to impress me. This is a math class. That means there will be errors made by all of us. We'll be working together to respectfully correct each other's mistakes. So have your calculators ready, because I'll ask you to correct the math I do in my head if needed. And sometimes I will wait for you to find an answer. Actually, I'll wait for at least two of you. It's really easy to hit the wrong button on your calculator or to make a simple sign error. So we'll expect there to be some mistakes. And we'll all just wait for two people to confirm an answer before we move on. So this course flips the classroom, okay? That means don't wait for me to present the material before you start studying it. You will have the responsibility of reading the e-text, watching videos, trying a few homework problems, and making a list of questions to ask when we meet together online to discuss the section you just studied. Now, ask questions if you didn't understand something. Okay, if you didn't understand what I was trying to say in a video, it's a good chance somebody else didn't either. So let's discuss it and find out where the disconnect happened so we can correct it, reconnect all those concepts. Okay, if you don't get a sufficient answer to your questions during class, get an answer. Send an email, send me an email. Meet me online during student hours. Go to Math Lab and meet with me or any of the professors and tutors who are available to you there. Okay, get an answer. And if you have an answer or another way to do a problem that we're working on online, share it. Now, if any of you play a sport, dance, make music, serve on an emergency squad, act in a company, you know that it takes practice and effort to become good in your chosen field. Well, math takes practice and effort too, a lot of it. So challenge your brain the way you challenge your muscles, your lungs, your fingers, your voice. Now, this is a 4-credit class. That means you should expect to spend at least 10 hours each week participating, reading, watching, studying, and doing homework. And this is an applied class. You'll be learning concepts used in business, and you will get some practice applying those concepts to real-world situations. Now, for this class, I waved the wrong calculator earlier. You will actually be using this calculator, the TI 84 plus or the TI 83 plus will be sufficient. Okay, I'll be showing you how to use many of its features, and I'll expect you to know how to use it to check your by-hand calculations, to graph functions, and to perform more complicated computations using algebra, exponents, and logarithms. Okay, now, if you have any questions about the calculator or anything else, ask those questions too. Send me an email before the class starts, hopefully. Online classes now are not my preferred format. But we're stuck here this semester. Now, I promise you, if you are waiting for me to entertain you for a half an hour to an hour each day, that's not going to happen. Okay, let's try to make this as interactive as possible. I look forward to getting to know you, and I'll see you in class.